We are talking of the onion retail prices which have soared across the cities in the country. There is a huge difference now between the retail and the wholesale prices across cities. The government has ensured that the weather conditions should not affect the price of essential commodities. But it seems that even the government here is taken by surprise with these onion prices.
There is increase of 5 rupees kgs in both in onion and potatoes.
And मतलब क्या reason उसका मिल रहा है?
The reason is being rain.
The rains and but the question is many are saying that सिर्फ मंडी में जो है प्राइसेस ठीक है लेकिन जब तक दुकान पे आ रहे हैं तो बढ़ जा रहे हैं क्या? इस
नहीं मंडी में भी तेज है।
मंडी में भी तेज है। और क्या और भी कोई कमोडिटीज़ हैं या सिर्फ यही अभी?
हमें तो इतनी का पता हुआ हमारा बिजनेस इनका है।
और लेकिन जैसे लास्ट टाइम हो गया था 60-70 हो गया था तो अभी प्राइस आप बताइए क्या चल रहा है? What is
ये 25 रुपये है, वो 30 रुपये है।
सॉरी
25 रुपीज़ है, 30 रुपीज़ है, 35 है।
35. So is it likely to go up? Is what you're expecting also?
अभी और जाएगा ऊपर।
So when people come and they ask you and they suddenly realize prices have shot up, are there more questions that you're asked?
नहीं अब लोगों को आदत पड़ गई है अब।
बढ़ गई है। So जब ये prices increase होते हैं, न्यू सरकार है अभी, what do you want the government to do at the time पे? As a
गवर्नमेंट तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती है, बारिश पड़ गई तो गवर्नमेंट थोड़ा रोक लेगी।
But do you think कुछ स्टॉक और बैलेंस हो? क्योंकि होर्डिंग में बहुत होता है जो एक होर्डिंग हो जाती है इधर उधर मिडिलमैन ले जाते हैं। कंट्रोल दैट डू यू थिंक?
अब जैसे 7% आड़त लग गई, दोनों आलू प्याज में ज़्यादा हो गया, इसलिए फ़र्क पड़ गया, कुछ महंगाई हो गई इसलिए।
जब बड़े रहते कुछ कम लेते हैं, घर में यूज़ बोलते हैं थोड़ा कम यूज़ करो, चीज़ महंगी हो गई है, ये बोलना पड़ता है उनको घर में।
पिछले साल सरकार ने बोला था कि कुछ करेगी पर हुआ नहीं कुछ, इस बार भी वही लग रहा है।
वो इस बार लगता है कि प्याज आलू फिर तेज हो जाएंगे इस बार जैसे, पर जब भी पर वीक में आओ तो प्रोग्रेसिव मिलती है, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 बोलते हैं।
Definitely, every year it is happening, but in my opinion, this time the price rise is there, but it is not that much, and I feel clearly there is action from the government side, and things are moving in the right direction. I don't feel that kind of level will come which was there last year. Yeah.
At least that's what you hope. Sir?
Yeah, that's I'm hope positively.
So there you had some mixed reactions rather coming in from customers. Let's in fact get in more details from Pooja, who's been tracking and speaking to customers here in Delhi. Pooja, we know about the kind of shock that onions can really give to political parties. We've witnessed governments falling down only on onion prices. But what really happens now? What are you getting to hear? Because there are experts who suggest that with the festive season till October, we are expecting this price to perhaps hit 100 rupees a kg.
Well, as of now, I can tell you that the situation is not as alarming yet as compared to last year. But considering that the price increase has already been initiated compared to next month. So, for example, if the onions and the potatoes were in fact being sold at, let's say, 15 rupees at the wholesale market per kilo, it is now being sold at 25 to 30 rupees. And when this 25-30 rupees happens, it only means that when it goes to the retail market, it will definitely be 5 to 10 rupees more expensive. So, certainly the price increase has happened, and all the vendors, what they are telling us is that one, it is the rainfall at in several states, and most importantly they also agree that there is this part of hoarding that happens, and most importantly the back stock that is then released is not very high. But very interestingly, all of them are this time hopeful that the government will be able to manage the situation. But this is the view of the sellers. It is again the common man who has to then arrange the budget, because as of now it could only be 10 to 15 rupees increase, but could it really become as alarming as last year when we saw it going to about 100 to 150 rupees per kg? That is, of course, everybody is hopeful that should not happen. It had become a big political controversy last year ahead of elections in Delhi and other states. But certainly, as of now, I can tell you there has been an increase of 10 to 15 rupees compared to last month. But right now, the commodities are onion and potatoes, some of the most important and essential commodities. Will this now stretch to other commodities as well? That remains to be seen. But certainly, as of now, 10 to 15 rupees increase has been recorded. Back to you.
All right, so Pooja, they're in fact reporting from Delhi. Pooja, you stay with me. Let's also connect with Pradeep, who's reporting from Jammu. Pradeep, what really are the prices there? What kind of a difference do you really see, and what are the reactions of customers that you're picking up?
Despite the various measures taken by the government to just control the rising onion prices, like imposition of MEP to just curb the overseas sales, the prices are going high. We have seen that last week it was about 14 to 16 rupees, but right now it is 20 to 25 rupees here in this wholesale market. We have got several people with us who are dealing with this business. Let's talk to them and find out what is the reason for the rising onion prices. क्या वजह है कि onion prices बढ़ रहे हैं?
वजह यही है, पीछे से कुछ बारिशें वगैरह हुई हैं तो उसके कारण ओनियन पीछे ही ख़राब हो गया, मतलब कि 70% फसलें जो डैमेज हैं।
और होर्डिंग का जो वजह है वो क्या रह रही है? होर्डिंग अभी भी हो रही है?
नहीं, होर्डिंग नहीं हो रही है, होर्डिंग हो ही नहीं सकती है। अगर होर्डिंग होएगी तो ये माल रुकेगा नहीं, ये माल रुक नहीं सकता, क्योंकि माल जब उधर से चलता है, पीछे से चलता है, तो इधर पहुँचने में ये माल सड़ जाता है।
क्या लगता है आपको, क्या लगता है वजह क्या है कि अचानक ये प्राइसेस बढ़ गए? 14 रुपए थे और इस वक्त अचानक 20 रुपए हो गए।
मेन रीज़न ये है कि इस बार जो बरसात इतनी लंबी हुई है और इसको क्लाइमेट चाहिए बिल्कुल ड्राई, और एक तैयार क्रॉप के ऊपर जब बारिश होती है तो वो चीज़ रुकती नहीं है। अब इसमें मेन प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही है कि ओनियन वहाँ से यहाँ तक आने में 6 दिन इसको लग जाते हैं, और यहाँ तक आते ही 50% जो पैकेट है वो डैमेज हो चुका होता है। जो हम वहाँ से परचेज करते हैं 10 रुपए की आइटम, वो यहाँ आके 20 रुपए में कॉस्ट
लगता है सरकार को कुछ करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम देखते रहे अक्सर एनडीए गवर्नमेंट यूपीए को ब्लेम करती रही प्याज के प्राइसेस बढ़ने पे, बट लगता है कि सरकार को कुछ करना चाहिए।
देखिए, ये एक पेरिशेबल आइटम है, ये कोई ऐसी आइटम तो है नहीं कि जिसकी आप होर्डिंग करेंगे या इसको स्टॉक में रख सकेंगे। ये पेरिशेबल आइटम है,